welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing another Amazon unboxing. Y'all like my unboxing videos, so yeah, let's just get right into it. Now, I only got 3 things, but I want to show y'all, and everything is a repurchase, so that lets y'all know that I actually like the shit I be buying. Okay, all right, so let's just get right into it. So the first things first is my Kiss brush on nail glue. I really love this nail glue. I use it to put these nails on, and they're so cute. I really love them. They look gorgeous. I tried to get that viral nail glue that's been going around all over TikTok, because it's a clog free nail glue. This one does clog, but I don't have any other problems with it, with my nails popping off or anything like that. My nails stay on and intact. Okay, so yeah, the only problem I have with this nail glue is that it does clog. So I did want to get the viral one, but it's sold out everywhere. I checked Sally's, I checked Amazon, it's sold out everywhere. So I'm like, you know what, if it ain't broke, I'm not gonna fix it. So I went ahead with my tried and true. This is the Kiss brush on nail glue, and I really like this nail glue because it's a brush on nail glue. It's so easy, especially when it comes to cleanup. So I really love that for me. But yeah, one of these days, hopefully I'll be able to try the other one. But until then, this is definitely my tried and true. And like I said, my nails don't pop off with this glue at all until I'm ready to take them off. And I like to wear my nails for at least 2 weeks. So yeah. The next thing I decided to get was some deodorant. I seen my deodorant on Amazon, so I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get my deodorant. Kill 2 birds, 1 stone, because I typically go to Target, and I was like, let me just get it. So this is my favorite deodorant that I use. I use this in the daytime. And this is what I use at night. I sweat heavily, right? So I'm not gonna self-diagnose myself, but if you have hyperhidrosis, this is really good for sweat. I got this off of Amazon as well. This was in my last Amazon unboxing, but this is really good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this on at night, and then you're gonna use your regular deodorant in the morning. Just follow the directions. Now, I will say, when you first use Certain Dry, it is gonna itch, but that means the product's working. Does that make sense? Like, I know that it's gonna itch, but that means the product is working. And then you go in with your regular deodorant. This is mine. This is a men's deodorant. I like using men's deodorant. This is the Old Spice Wilderness and Lavender. This deodorant does not smell masculine at all. It smells very feminine. So I really like it. Obviously the little thing isn't on there because I used it, but yeah, it smells very feminine. Lavender, like, come on now. And I also have the Fiji one as well. The Fiji one actually doesn't even smell masculine. So yeah, I alternate between the Fiji one, and I also use this one right here. And I love me a good men's deodorant, especially a good men's deodorant that smells like women. So yeah, this one is really good. This one is really nice. Okay, so the next thing that I got is for my glasses. Ooh, fun fact, I just went to the eye doctor, and he told me my prescription did not change. It actually stayed the same, which is good. That means my eyes didn't get any worse, so that's good. So yeah, if you wear glasses, you need to get some lens cleaning wipes, okay? These definitely changed the game. This is what they're called. This definitely changed the game when it comes to cleaning my glasses. I hate blurry glasses. I hate blurry lenses. I have scratch resistant. I also have blue light, and I have something else. I have to look at my prescription, but I don't like scratches. I don't like glares and all of that other shit. So yeah, I decided to get me some of these. This is actually a repurchase. This box is completely empty. And this is my new box. So I like these because you can put them in your purse. You can fit them in your wallet if you're a man. You can put them in your pocket, your book bag. If you're a student, you can put them in a folder. These are just really, really good to have, especially if you wear glasses or if you create content. And I do both. Look at how many come in a pack. Okay, so 100 come in a pack, and y'all, they're only $4. Only $4 on Amazon. You really cannot beat that. You cannot beat that, okay? So this is the Nice and Clean Wipes Smart Guard 3 times cleansing power. Do not flush these. Individually wrapped pre-moistened wipes. So yeah, so this says non-scratching, streak-free, today's Monday and the trash man is outside, so I want to let them go by. Anyway, I think my hair is really, really cute. I'm going to do another video about my hair, so stay tuned for that. I got y'all. I know some people's going to be like, oh my God, your hair so... Yeah, I'm going to talk about my hair. Stay tuned. I just want to let this trash truck go by. Okay, they went on ahead and went down. So this is non-scratching, streak-free, light citrus scent, if you cared about that. Non-linting, safe on anti-reflective coatings and anti-static. Partnering for health and planet. Okay, so yeah, this is really, really good. I love these. So okay, I was just reading the first day, but these are really, really good. I love these so much. Get you some lens cleaning wipes. I used to, before I had these, I had to use my shirt or I had to use something to wipe off my glasses, and it would just leave a glare, and I hated that. These are pre-moistened, so these are going to be a game changer if you wear glasses, or like I said, if you are a content creator, influencer, if you use your phone a lot, or if you take a lot of camera footage or videos, or if you do have a camera, these are really, really, really good, okay? And they come like this. You can put 2 in your bag. Let me show you how easy it is. This is my bag I'm carrying right now. Pop them in. Like I mentioned, everything that I have here is a repurchase, so that just shows you that I really, really love it. All of these is gone. I have to have my lens cleansing wipes. Like I said, 100 come in a pack, and they're only $4 on Amazon. You cannot beat that. $4 on Amazon for 100. Yes. Yes. All right, y'all. So that is everything that I got in my Amazon little haul. Just some stuff. Like I said, y'all love these videos, so I'm gonna continue making them. So yeah, if y'all have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section, or you can follow me on TikTok. I respond quicker on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98, and while you're at it, if you're leaving a comment, you might as well just go ahead and follow me on TikTok as well, because we hit 30K on TikTok like last week, I believe. We hit 30K, and I'm so grateful. So yeah, and I'm trying to hit 4K on here, so let's get it. Share the video, comment, subscribe, tell everybody about Kyla Latrice, okay? If you have a recommendation that I've given you and it works for you, comment that down below. All engagement is welcome. And yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98, and I'll see y'all in my next video.